I thought I'd just address this light, you know, what I did and how I put it on. So I'm gonna show you. So as you can remember here, before there was a silicone part on top, which was attached with zip ties. I then took it off, and look at how much nicer it looks. The main reason that I took it off is because before it kind of reminded me of, you know that car from Disney Cars that didn't have the eyes?
What are you selling?
Headlights, monsieur, headlights!
What the?
That was kind of what it looked like before, but now it looks like, you know, a proper Chad Lightning McQueen kind of car.
McQueen, save! He's back on the track!
I mean, look at this. It has eyes now. Yeah, and I think overall it just looks a lot more mean. Here, with a backlight. I was supposed to mention these are both of these are rechargeable, which is really good. I was gonna put this on, and then I kind of realized there's nowhere to put it on. So I might have to like glue it somewhere or something. Not quite sure. Or I could be a complete idiot and put it here. No, I'm not that stupid. Also, this light is detachable really easily, which means that you could just use it as a regular torch if you ever got lost, which is really useful. And also it has several modes. This one, which isn't quite all of them on. This one, just the middle. This one, which is all of them. Flashing, and then if you hold it, you can get dipped headlights. So yeah, a bit of a short one, but just thought I owed you the explanation.